So what does it mean to be in business? What does it mean to you as a business owner or a business partner? Well, in fact, there is no one answer to that. Every one of you is going to have a distinct and unique reason as to why you're in business doing what you are. And generally, people have either moved deliberately away from something else, such as employment, to set up their own business, or they've got some form of central vision of something they really wanted to do and they're moving towards something else. Now, depending on where you are in the life stage of your business, this passion, this drive may be very fresh in your head. Alternatively, you may be many years in. Firstly, congratulations. We all know that not many businesses get past that first year, so well done to you. But to those of you that have been in business for a while, remind yourself of why you went into business in the first place. It is part of your lifestyle. So think about not just what your business does, not just which customers it serves, what products it supplies, how it makes money. All of those things are important. But one of the most important things for you is, what does your business deliver for you? That could be all kinds of things. It could be profits that you can invest or buy things that you want to do, or experiences that you want to have with friends and loved ones. It could be that your business is your passion and you love doing it. Whatever it is for you, make sure that you are in touch with that. When you're writing your business plan, focus not only what the business does, but what the business does for you. Right now, in the medium future, and in the long-term future. Perhaps that long-term future, the business is generating money for you, so you can have time to do what you want to do. And if you've designed this and you've got those goals and you've got those vision in mind, then everything that your business does, from planning to its day-to-day focus to its marketing plan, can be designed with you in mind, as well as your customers, and creating value for you both. Good luck with your business. I'd love to know why you're in business and what you enjoy so much. Please get in touch and share your story.